Going on? It's 2-1 Smash, and we're playing top 16. And we got Rex. Huh?
I'm in the camera now.
You want to be in the camera?
Yeah. Oh, and now you're out of the kiss cam. You're in the kiss cam. Oh. This is Bila versus Bila.
Yeah.
Everyone's favorite matchup.
No, it's technically Dimitri versus Violet. God, Violet.
That's not Dimitri.
That is too Dimitri.
That's Claude.
Oh, it sure is.
Yeah, you uncultured swine.
Look,
How dare
man, I
you?
associated the yellow.
That's the one house I did not play. Yeah.
Neither did I.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of my blue.
I started with blue lines.
How did you feel about Three Houses?
What?
Well, how'd you feel about Three Houses?
It was really good.
Did you start out with Red House first?
I enjoyed blue lines. Very good. I like Dimitri. He's a good boy.
No, Edelgard's a good girl. That's why too.
Genocided.
What? Spoilers?
Sorry.
Sorry for the spoilers,
God.
Tyler. Great.
Good. All right.
That's awesome.
Well, both of them are missing a stock, but we should probably talk about the game.
Looks like
Someone doesn't know their Fire Emblem Three Houses character.
I sure do.
All right.
I'm on my second playthrough with it.
I remember last week Rex beat Blacksmith in the Ditto. So I feel Blacksmith learned the matchup, even though
Blacksmith knows every match. He plays every.
he is the definition of the counter pick.
When we played randoms earlier,
He knew.
No. He said, "Oh, we're gonna have a whole tournament about my main. Let's go."
I didn't see him in grand finals.
But he's very talented. You're gonna be playing on stream against a level 5 computer.
That's all you get.
But if you lose, you can never come back again.
If you lose, you're banned.
Yeah. Would you be able to take that bet, Tyler? Or are you Rob? You gotta play on like the most.
He just point blank arrowed that man.
This is just touch the tip.
That's all.
It's very.
That's how the Byleth matchup is. Just battle of tips. Rex just really wants. Not Rex. Blacksmith really wants to kill.
And shield breaks. Yeah, fully charged arrow with shield breaks.
Exactly. Well, it almost shield breaks. If you hold your shield like a second after, then it shield breaks. Black's is having a rough time trying to get this kill. I want to see at least one down B for this game, for this whole set's over.
Oh man!
If I get a down B kill. Oh! He loves us.
He did it for the fans.
Did it for me.
Rex.
The fans don't get anything. This is what I want.
This is what you want.
Hey, Rex takes game one. That was great commentating of the match.
Rex taking game one. Of top 15.
See, I think the advantage Blacksmith has is the game knowledge of Fire Emblem Three Houses. All right, me and him, when we play a set, we just Byleth Ditto. We just sing Edge of Dawn together. That's our tradition.
Is it?
Yeah, I just don't get pulled with them in pools.
Does that make you sad?
Next time I get pulled with them in pools, that's all it's gonna be, and we're gonna full blast it for the whole venue to hear. And you're all gonna be jealous. You don't have that bond.
You might get to play a Byleth if you want.
No.
You sure about that? That's what I do.
No.
I pay
No.
him $30 extra to fix my pools, and I still lose.
Oh, now
Going
it's
back to Smashville.
now it's
Another
Edelgard versus Claude.
vastly superior of the houses.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's personal pick.
Have you played Three Houses yet? It's a good one.
I haven't played the DLC yet.
Dude, can you imagine Edelgard being a tank? I just dressed her in full armor.
How heavy?
And
How
put her on
heavy
the
is
front line.
Byleth in this game?
In this game,
I'm gonna pull it up.
I'm
Pull it
gonna
up.
say
We're googling
medium
this.
heavy. I'm gonna say medium heavy. If I'm not right, you gotta buy me chicken.
Go to that ultimate frame data website. Gotta do my research real quick. All that's you, winner. Better.
He's the gamer boy.
Where is?
You might be seeing a Simon Belmont from Will here. Wallbats.
Nah, he plays Richter Belmont.
Oh, right, Richter.
Silly.
Full fire.
He heard me and said,
Richter's picking me first time.
"All right, here's the weight chart." Man, Byleth is not. She's lighter than Mario is. Yeah, she's lighter than Mario and Cloud and Hero. Oh.
Show me Carfax.
I just closed the tab so you're not getting the Garfax. Actually, it's not lost its stock yet. Last time I looked up, Blacksmith was in the lead, but that changed. Oh well. Claude's a tricky tax. Oh! Just walked up and up smashed him. That's all you need. See? Oh! He's going for the hard read. I respect it. Of course. Rexarch really just wants to stab him with the spear. Or, yeah, Lance. I got made fun of by Rye Guy last week for on the spear. Oh my god. Fuck this, is bringing it back.
No hesitation.